The world is shopping online. And if your Shopify store isn't selling globally, you're definitely leaving money on the table. Let's break down how to unlock global sales on Shopify without the headaches. Start with Shopify Markets. Think of it as your dashboard for world domination. Add countries, set local currencies, and just like that, your reach expands. Shopify stores can sell to over 170 countries. And get this. Top merchants see a 126% boost in conversions just by localizing their store. Now, shipping. It sounds scary, but Shopify shipping makes it simple. Set up your zones, offer real-time rates, and print labels with customs docs, no manual headaches. Transparent delivery times? That's how you build trust with customers everywhere. Here's the real conversion booster: localization. Accept over 10 currencies with Shopify payments, translate your store, Weglot's a great app, and add the payment methods locals love like Alipay or Ideal. Fun fact, 73% of shoppers are more likely to buy when prices are in their own currency. But don't get tripped up by taxes and duties. Always research VAT or GST, classify your products with HS codes, and be super clear about who pays duties, DDP or DDU. Surprises at checkout? Those kill sales fast. Ready for the growth hacks? Use Shopify Analytics to find your best new markets, run geo-targeted ads, and consider hiring multilingual support. Even a simple chat tool in the right language can win you repeat customers. I know it can feel overwhelming, but you can do this. Download the full guide at growpulse.com and tap that Start Selling button. The world is waiting for your store,